Hi there! Today we're making Kuih Salat, a treat so good it might just make you forget about your diet. But hey, green is healthy, right? For our green goddess of desserts, we'll need as ingredient A. Glutinous rice, aka sticky rice, coconut milk, pinch of salt, water, pandan leaf.
Glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice or sweet rice, is a type of rice that is distinctly sticky and clumpy when cooked. Despite its name, it does not contain any gluten.
Ingredients: B. Pandan leaves, coconut milk, eggs, castor sugar, plain flour, vanillin powder. First, let's tackle the rice layer. Think of it as building the foundation of a house, a delicious edible house. Soak the glutinous rice for an hour. Then steam it with pandan leaves, coconut milk, and a pinch of salt for 30 minutes. Fluff and transfer to a mold. Press glutinous tightly with a spatula and set aside. Now for the star of the show, the pandan green custard layer. Blend pandan leaves with water, then strain. Mix this with coconut milk, eggs, sugar, and a bit of flour. It's like making a smoothie.
Add a quarter tsp of pandan paste to get the rich green color as needed.
Whisk it with a lot of passion until you get a batter consistency. Strain and pour this vibrant green mixture over our rice layer. It's like adding the roof to our delicious house. Now, we steam the whole thing in medium heat. This is where the magic happens, folks. Steam for about 60 minutes or until the custard is set, and voila! The ever-fragrant smell of pandan mixed with coconut.
Wiping the wok cover from underneath will prevent water spots from forming on the pandan. Also, taking off the cover for the last 10 minutes will help as well.
Infused glutinous rice. Heavenly. Let it cool, then cut into squares.
Yummy!
Each piece is a perfect two-tone treat. Creamy, sweet with a hint of pandan. It's comfort food with a tropical twist. Your taste buds will thank you, your friends will envy you, and your kitchen will smell amazing. And there you have it, Kuih Salat, the dessert that proves green really is the color of happiness. Give it a try, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite treat. Until next time, keep it sweet, keep it green, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share, you do not want to miss our next recipe.